guys, I'm back with an... That's not how it's all. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry, guys. So sorry. Anyways, hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this time it is... Well, I thought there was something beyond... Okay. Ah! This stand is stupid! Dude, how am I supposed to talk and look at the guys at the same time? Dude, it's the best I can make. Ah! Anyways, hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this time it is a thing with vid I keep forgetting what it is. What the heck? Is it called? Dude, what is it called? It's called vid connector thing. Whatever. It's a video connector thing. It's gonna take a long time, but I think I can make a stop motion. Yay, guys! And I'm gonna be the top star. Dude, make a star. I can't make a star. That would take millions of years. Make a Lego star. That I can make. Let's see here. Putting everything together. There we go. I made you a Lego star. That's a stud, idiot. It's a star. Stud. Star. Stud. Star. Anyways, guys. Yeah, I can make stop motions, which is really cool. Ow! Oh, you little... Yes, master. Go in the video. Master, you know they can see my lips moving. Idiot! Shut up! He's an idiot. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys later. Bye!